The 2026 BMW X5 M Sport is gearing up to dominate the luxury SUV segment once again, and today on Engine Empire we are diving deep into everything that makes this beast one of the most anticipated models of the future. From its athletic styling to its luxurious interior and thrilling performance, the X5 M Sport isn't just a premium family hauler, it's a road weapon disguised as an SUV. Starting with its bold exterior, the upcoming model is expected to feature a sharper kidney grille, sleeker LED laser headlights, and an aerodynamic body kit exclusive to the M Sport trim. Larger air intakes, sporty bumpers, and signature blue brake calipers hint at the power that lies beneath. Expect massive 21 or even optional 22-inch alloy wheels paired with adaptive M suspension that keeps it glued to the road while delivering a surprisingly smooth ride. Stepping inside the cabin, the 2026 X5 M Sport welcomes you with a fusion of futuristic technology and handcrafted luxury. The dashboard is expected to feature BMW's curved dual-screen setup with a massive infotainment display seamlessly connected to the fully digital instrument cluster. Soft touch materials, leather-wrapped surfaces, and aluminum or carbon fiber trims come standard. The seats are expected to feature merino leather upholstery with contrast stitching and full electric adjustability, massage, heating, and ventilation. Ambient lighting flows across the cabin, allowing you to set the perfect driving mood. Rear passengers are treated with generous legroom, optional entertainment screens, and a panoramic glass roof that floods the interior with light. Under the hood, the X5 M Sport is rumored to retain BM's 3.0-liter twin-turbo inline-6 engine with mild hybrid assistance, pushing out an estimated 400 horsepower. For those craving even more, a V8-powered M Performance variant could deliver upwards of 600 horsepower, launching this SUV from 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Power is delivered through BM's xDrive all-wheel drive system paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that shifts with lightning precision. Dynamic stability control, active roll stabilization, and performance-tuned driving modes let you choose between efficient cruising or full-blown adrenaline. When it comes to price, the base 2026 BMW X5 M Sport is expected to start around $75,000 in the United States, while higher performance models could climb past $100,000 depending on packages and customization. Optional features such as premium sound system, full driver assistance suite, and carbon fiber exterior accents can quickly elevate the final bill. But for buyers seeking a perfect mix of luxury, technology, and track-inspired performance, every dollar feels justified. So, is the 2026 BMW X5 M Sport worth the hype?